Hey, what's up, YouTube? What's up? It's your boy Janoid. I go by the name Jumbisco. Jumbisco J. What's good? Yeah. What's up, guys? Welcome me to the tube. Welcome me to YouTube. Yeah. Obviously, I'm new to YouTube. My new channel is Jumbisco J. Yeah. Follow, like, subscribe. I'm new to the YouTube. This is something I always want to do. Never done it before. And today is actually my birthday. And I thought, what better gift to give myself than to actually start my YouTube channel, which I've always wanted to do. So that would be a good gift to myself. So I decided to start today. So guys, welcome me to YouTube. This is my car. This is the loaner that I'm using because my car is actually in the shop right now. So yeah. Well, guys, I want you guys to give me a warm welcome to YouTube. Hoping we welcome arms. I'm hoping I will try. As I do this more, I will definitely try to get better, and to make lit and entertaining content for you guys. So, so to tell you a little bit more myself, obviously, I'm Jamaican. Yes, I'm from Clarendon, Jamaica. Hernan, big up yourself. CC, big up yourself. You don't know. Racetrack, Denby, Cross, Farm, me up in all of them places, you don't know, big up on yourself. So, I'm new to YouTube and I don't know, I really want to make this a very entertaining channel, something you guys, enjoy watching. Yes, my channel, this is not gonna be, this is not, it's something I want to, like making videos. I always wanted to be like, movie producing, movie directing, and acting, But I'm also, so vlogging is just like right up my alley. That's something I'm really interested in. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm just hoping that I'm just trying to do my best and see what happens. I hope you guys like me. I hope I'm able to do well at this vlogging and be able to make entertaining and lit content for you guys. Yeah. So that's it. Jamaican. I live in Florida. You can call me Jumbisco or Bisco. But the channel is Jumbisco J. This is my first channel, my first YouTube channel. So I'm trying to make lit and entertaining content for you guys. So I think I already said that like 100 times now. But yeah, I just came from Panda Express. There you go, Panda Express. Just came from Panda Express. I was gonna shoot a mukbang for you guys, but I got carried away. Totally forgot. Ate all the food, so no mukbang. Yeah, I was gonna do a DGD inspired mukbang. But yeah, so maybe next time. This is my, this is gonna be my introduction to YouTube. So you guys, I just wanted to introduce myself, let you guys know that yes, I'm here. Hopefully I'm here to stay. I will definitely gonna be making some lit content coming soon, very soon. I want this. I'm not. I'm not sure. I really want to do. I want to do daily vlogging. Like live vlogging and stuff. But I don't want nothing. I don't want to bore you guys. And also like. I also like. Trying to do like pranks and jokes and challenges. And stuff like that. So yeah, I think it'll be a mixture of those. Or if I do well, maybe I'll, make another channel where it's just like challenges and pranks and stuff like that. And this will be like daily vlog. But I really like daily vlogging aspect, and I really, I really hope I do well at this. I hope I'm able to make entertaining and fun lit content for you guys. So yeah, just I just hope you guys, accept me and welcome me to YouTube. I look forward to making content for you guys, and let's, let's take it to the top. Let's just have fun. This is really more like a progress, because this is more like a journal for me for like progress, because I really got goals that I really want to hit and stuff I'm working towards. And this would be nice, to nice way to like, log these stuff and be able to look back, as well as be able to produce content for you guys and stuff like that, and get practice and making like film good. Like I said, I still want to become like movie producer, or television show producer and script writer and stuff like that. So stuff I'm working on daily. But yes, currently I do work a 9 to 5. Yes, job. But that's not something I want to do. Obviously, no one wants to work a 9 to 5 all the day of their life. There's a lot of stuff in my life that I want to do, which I think, YouTube would can help me to a little, but it all depends on how it all goes. I'm just going to try my best, because it's something I really always want to do. Never done it, because I always wanted to do it like my friends and like a team, and then but nobody like sees the vision. So I'm just gonna start it by myself. I'm just gonna try my best, try my hardest, and hopefully, I am able to do and accomplish the things that I want to do and accomplish. So yes, guys. So I think this should be my official introduction to YouTube. You guys want, obviously, I can get everything out in one video. So yes, there are gonna be better videos coming out, more better introduction videos. At least I felt like it's time to get started. Stop procrastinating, get started, and procrastinating. And get started, and start actually doing. And as I get better, I will put on better content. So you guys just bear with me for now. I'm gonna get better. So like I said, it's your boy Jambisco. Welcome to my channel, Jambisco J. So what did I say? I don't even know. I'm not even gonna intro it like Double J Squad, or stuff. As we go on, stuff like that. Get that stuff, Double J Squad, the school squad, or what? As like I said, as we get better, as we do this, we'll get better, and we'll become like a little family. And hopefully, we can all come together, support each other, and just be a lit team and family and friends. And yes, so I'm gonna stop right here instead of boring you guys with my boring content. I think I'm gonna go link up with some friends, because like I said, it's my birthday, so I'm gonna go celebrate later on. I don't know if I'm gonna record any of that for you. Maybe I'll record some, like, maybe you guys can see some footage of how I live and how I do stuff here in Florida, me and my friends, and yeah, so you guys rock with me. It's your boy Jambisco J. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. You don't know, Jambisco J. I take this to the top. The boy Bisco. We out.